Welcome to Linux Help. In this today's session, we are going to see how to install and configure CSF on Linux Mint 20.2. CSF configures the firewall on the server to lock down public access to services and only allow certain connection, including FTP, email, or accessing websites. It is a free and advanced firewall for most Linux distributions and Linux-based VPS. In addition to the basic functionality of a firewall, filtering packets, CSF includes other security features. First, I'm going to check the OS version by using the following command. I'm using Linux Mint 20.2 version. Next, I'm going to install CSF by wget command. And before installing the CSF, now I'm getting to the source directory. Now I'm going to download the CSF file by using the wget command. After the download completed, I'm going to extract that file. Now get into the CSF directory. Now install the CSF by using sh command. After the installation completed, I'm going to configure the csf.configuration file by using the following command. Now I'm going to do some changes here. I'm going to change the testing flag by replacing 1 to 0. Now I'm saving and quit. Now I'm going to start the CSF service by using the following command. Service is successfully started. Now I'm going to check the status of CSF. It is active. Now I'm going to reload the service by using the following command. It's completed. Now I'm going to allow the IP to CSF service. Added. Now I'm going to check whether it is added or not by using the following command. It is added. I'm going to save and quit. Now I'm going to remove the IP from the CSF service by using the following command. It removed successfully. Now I'm going to check whether it is removed or not. It is removed. Now quit. Now I'm going to deny the particular IP address by using the following command. Successfully denied. Now check whether it is denied or not. It is successfully denied. Save and quit the file. Next I am going to remove that denied IP address by using the following command. It is successfully removed. If you want to disable the CSF service, to execute the following command. If you want to enable the CSF service, execute the command. If you want to flush the CSF service, run the following command. If you want to check the IP version 4 configuration, run the following command. With this, the process of installing and configuring CSF on Linux Mint 20.2 has come to an end.
Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. To learn more tutorials, stay tuned to www.linuxhelp.com. If you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.